What up? What up? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's day 14. Y'all, look, this month is flying by. Like seriously flying by. What are we doing today? Today, we are going to clean out a second closet. Okay? We cleaned out one closet already in the beginning, but we cleaning out the second closet. For me, this is the closet in the other bedroom that, has all the spare clothes that, hey, it might be seasonal or whatever. It's just got a bunch of junk in it. So anyway, welcome to day 14 of the Declutter Challenge. Today's task is to clean out that second closet. And this is a great opportunity to get rid of even more clothes and items that you no longer use, because that is what's going on in my closet. All the stuff that's in that closet, I don't wear because it's in the second closet. So yeah, I can get rid of all of that crap. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and organize that space so it's more functional and less cluttered. So of course, you'll start by taking everything out of the closet, right? Sort through it. Go through all the stuff. I've got oh my gosh, I have some sentimental things that I won't throw away, like my son's baby blankets and stuff that I knitted and different things like that. There's some sentimental things that you probably want to keep, but there's some other stuff, girl, just throw that stuff away. Anyway, so create 3 piles. 1 for stuff to keep, 1 for things to donate, and 1 for things to give away or to throw them away. Okay. So be honest, just be honest with yourself about what you need and use, and let go of everything else that no longer serve its purpose in your life. Just kind of like have a Marie Kondo moment and be like, okay, you were nice and we had really good times, but it's time for you to go. Okay. So, so now once you sorted all those things, once you sorted everything, it's time to organize them and, organize the things that you're going to keep. Use the storage bins and baskets, or, group familiar items, things like that. So you can kind of keep things organized and together, right? Like shoes and accessories and stuff like that. Use hangers and organizers and, or shelves or something if you're running out of space. So, you know what to do. Just do it, right? This is just a little kick in the pants that I'm kicking my own self in the pants right now because I need to do this desperately. I have so much crap, it's ridiculous. So of course, there's a little spot for you in the guide for you to write some reflections on how this project made you feel. Do you feel like you actually, got some leeway? Did you make some progress doing this? And did you get some space back? Okay. It's all about the space. Did you get some space back? So anyway, this could be you, right? When you're finished, take a moment, reflect on the experience. How did it make you feel, right? See, I did the guide so you could write all that stuff down, right? And are there any additional steps that you can take to keep the space clutter free? Think about those things and, don't mess it up moving forward. Okay. Because this could be you. Look at all this space, right? You could claim your space back. You could throw some of the crap away. I know my husband is like, I wish you would throw some of this crap away. Yeah, that's the goal. That's the goal of all of this. Okay. So anyway, thank you so much for joining us for day 14 of the Declutter Challenge. I hope this task was, helpful for you. I hope it helped you create more organization and, helping you live a clutter-free, life and, kind of declutter your space, right? Don't forget to share your progress with us with the hashtag Declutter Challenge. And we would absolutely love if you did that. The other thing that we'll absolutely love is if you download the guide. Now, this guide is, it's like just the cost of a cup of coffee. It kind of helps the channel out. So we really would appreciate it if you support. You can go to lbcbranding.link/declutter to go ahead and pick up your guide. And also, if you're loving this content, go ahead and smash that like button. And subscribe to my channel for more, for more, for more. You know, I would truly love that if you did that. Anyway, and that doesn't cost you a thing. All right. So we're going to see you tomorrow. Doses.